Ease learners into the online learning experience and reduce their test anxiety by familiarizing them with various question types using self-assessments. This tutorial shows how to create a self-assessment to deliver as a study aid. To begin, from Self-Assessments, click New Self-Assessment. Enter a name. Tip: use categories to organize assessments based on similarities. Add a category if desired. You can create a category or select an existing one from the category menu. If you design your questions to include hints, click Allow Hints. Tip: design question hints that give learners suggestions on how to approach the question. Then, click Save. Next, click Add Edit Questions. Click Import, and select a source. Select the questions you want to include in the self-assessment. Note: all points values are removed when importing questions from Question Library to self-assessments. Tip: when creating questions for self-assessments, include links to additional resources in the feedback section to aid in content comprehension. When you are ready, click Add. Then, click Done Editing Questions. Lastly, click Save and Close. Your self-assessment displays. Tip: in content, create quick links to self-assessments to track which learners are accessing the material. Ease learners into the online learning experience and reduce their test anxiety by familiarizing them with various question types using self-assessments.